Hi Chaitanya, good morning.
Good morning.
Chaitanya, go through your topic.
Valid intersection. Defining the valid intersection dimension members. Defining valid intersection. Task. Log into the EPM cloud first. We are logged in first. Go to the on the home page. Click the application cluster. Then click valid intersections card. Click on application. Here it is valid intersection card. Click create. Enter the name sample underscore valid underscore intersection. Sample underscore valid underscore intersection. Next is click on the down arrow to select the anchor dimension and select account dimensions. Click here it is select the anchor dimension. Select the dimension account. Click add dimension to make a combination with another dimension. Click add dimension. Select entity. Select entity. Here it is added. Now to create a rule, click add rule. Click add rule. Here it is rule added. Click the down arrow next to account and then click edit. Click on down arrow. Click on edit. Okay. Search for operating income and hit enter. Search for operating income. Here it is. Select. Select. Follow steps 11 and 12. Case account exists as a part of selections. Otherwise, jump to step 13. Okay. We are already having only one here. We will jump to 13th line. Now go to the entity tab and search for EN01. Okay. Here it is. Oh, entity. Search EN01. Select EN01. Here it is. Then click function selector for EN01. Then click I next to descendants. Okay. Click on this function. Here it is I. Select I descendants. Selected. Remove entity from the selections as done in the step 11 and 12. Case it is part of selections. Okay. Remove this. Okay, removed. Then click OK. Then click and save and close. Okay. Now it is saved. Here it is the what we have created now. Sample valid intersection. Loading data using data management. Okay. Import data to the FCCS application using data management. Create import format allocation data mapping and data load rule in order to export from data management. Set up and run a data load. In this practice, in order to set up or run a data load from data management, you will start by creating an import format if the source and target are defined. Task: log into the EPM cloud if necessary. Already logged in. Go to home page first. Click the navigator icon and then select data management. Click on navigator icon. Select, here it is, data management. Click it. Now select the setup tab and click import format. Click on setup. Click on import format. Click add to create a new import format. Okay, click add to create new format. Enter the following details: name if underscore FCCS, name if underscore FCCS, description: import format to data load, import format to data load, file type delimited numeric data, file type delimited numeric data selected, file delimited pipe, and click save. Okay, we have saved now. The source file, the dm data import dot text, is available in the labs folder. For mapping, entering the following details: account for one, target one, account amount. Okay, we are already existed, so entity type is already existed, so click on OK. So save it, build format, select metadata. Okay, here it is, total account, assign dimension. Click on account means what we have selected. Give the name, account. Okay, assign for dimension. Sorry, it is in parent. First give the build format. Here it is. Click OK. Assign it. Assign dimension. But it is in parent. Select. Parent. Click OK. Then select next one. 7000. Add dimension. Select account. Account. Click OK. Store. Assign dimension. Data storage. Free. Data storage shortcut DS. Click OK. For account name, click on account 2. OK. Done. Save this. Already saved. Part 2. Task. Click on location and click location in the setup tab. Click location. Click add to add new location. Click add for new location. Enter the following details: name LOC FCCS, import format IF FCCS. Click save. Okay, username. FCCS. Import format, what we have created in now, IFFCCS in the import format, target that. After targeting, by default it's selected. Click on save. Location already existed, so the name has changed. Here it is, save one. Okay, FCCS has been saved. Location is saved. Part 3. In this practice, you will create data management for dimensions. Task. Click data mapping in the workflow tab. In the workflow tab, click on data load mapping. Okay. Click location FCCS to change the pivot point of view. Click the location near here. It is the location. Change it. What we have created now. Select that. Target to that location. Reset H FCCS 1. Okay. Give the date. For present date or whatever maybe. In the periods we have what we have given FY21 or FY20 Jan 20. Okay. Click OK. Select OK. By following these details already continue targeted. Next. Now perform the mapping for the account dimension. Click like mapping tab. Okay. Here it is the all mappings. Click on like mapping. Okay. Then enter the following details by clicking add. Enter the details of account. Click on add. Give the source value star. Rule name is account. So shortcut ACC. Now select entity from the drop down. Give same name as same. Click on save for each dimension. Here it is entity for intercompany product. Click on save. By default, we are selected only three: data storage and parent. Give for data storage. Click on source value, target value, rule name, data storage. Give the shortcut DS. Click on save. Give the parent name also. Click add star star. Parent name is parent. Click on save. Now data load mapping is saved. Click data load rule in a workflow tab. Click on data load rule. Okay, now click add to create a new data load rule. Click add. Here create provide the following detail: DL underscore FCCS, DL underscore FCCS. Description: data load rule for FCCS. Click on save. It has been saved. Now click execute. Okay, click execute. Select the checkboxes according to the following screenshot. Okay, select these checkboxes. Now we have checked that. Click select in order to provide the details in for the import file. Okay, here it is. We have to import the file. Select. We are already imported in the build format. Select that meta.csv. Click on run. Process has been successful. Once you select a file explorer, will open where you can upload your source file. Click upload to upload your source file. We are already uploaded before build format. So we have directly selected. Browse the import format, provided location where uploaded. Click OK. Now click on run. We are now click on run. Click refresh to check the status of the data load. Once the load is successful, the status will be visible as a green tick. Okay. Click on refresh. Here it is status warning. The data load file has been. Go to the again load rule. Click on execute. Run it. Here it is. We have to save this by giving the file name. Then after execute again. Click on run. Okay, it has been done. Click on refresh. Until the status will come in a green tick mark while it is transform and add stage balance data export period Jan 21. Okay, we will change to the Jan 21 as Jan 5th February. Save sheet. Give February if necessary. Click OK. Now location has been changed. Save it. Go to data workload rule. Give the import format of FCCS. Click OK. Save it. Execute. Click on refresh. Okay. If it is getting wrong, we will go to the first and start again. Go to the target application import format. Here we have selected comma. It is IFFCCS. Here it is, we have selected pipe. Pipe is not accepting. So we have select comma. Then save it. Go to the workflow and execute again. Refresh it until the status will come. Go to the setup and again delete this. Create again. If we are getting wrong, save it. For metadata, it takes all data types and location. Okay, it has been saved. Go to the workflow. Data load mapping order is created. So go to the load rule, create track, create DL underscore FCCS. Give the description. It is not necessary. It is not mandatory. Star marks are mandatory. Give the import format. Target. Source option. Give the file. Click OK. Click on save. Now DLFCC1 has created. Click on execute. Run it. Click, enable the check boxes. After run it, click on refresh until the status will come green color. Now it has been status comes green color. So go and check data workbench. These three goldfishes are king. It has been running successful. Now it has been done. Go to the data load workbench. Oh, okay. We are already seeing that. In order to view exported data in the FCCS application, navigate to home page and click on rules card and launch the consolidate rule. Okay. Please check that here what we have given February 21. Yes, we have to give that while launching the application. application, go to rules card. Before going to rules card, we have to consolidate. Means we have to recompute our system. It has been already recomputed. So go to the rules card. Click on launch application, launch icon in consolidate. Give the entities. Provide the following details of launch page. Enter entities EN01. Okay. Select it. Enter entities of the EN01. Segments. Select EN01. Okay. We are giving the name EN01. Next, enter period Jan. But we have selected February, so we have to give February here. Click on OK. Enter scenario actual. Scenario has actual. Click OK. Enter year FY20. Instead of FY20, we are selecting FY21 because in this application, I have in this application it has been created from means it start year is FY21. So we have taken in the place of FY20, we have taken FY21. Click on launch. OK. Consulted rule was run successfully. Click OK. Now click data card and expand FCCS income statement folder. Click on data card, expand income statement. Select income statement by period. Form has been opened. To enter the details, click the dimension member. Here it is, the changes. So select EN01 underscore 05. Okay. Change it. Here E5 means EN01 underscore 05. We have given the name, alias name has E5, so it's showing like this. Click OK. And give the year. FY21 already given. Click on go icon. We are already wrong step given it. Okay. Oh, instead of EN01 has created. Okay. Now we can see the data has been cleared. Now you will be able to see the data that you have imported through data management. It is directly connected. Data has been shown. Here it is. Next, managing data. Import data from a CSV file. Copying data from one POV to another means PO means point of view. Clearing data from the queue. Importing data from file. In this practice, you will import data from a CSV formatted file. Task. Log into APM Cloud. We are logged in already. Go to the home page. On the home page, click the application cluster and then click the overview card. Click on application cluster, click on overview card. Click the actions drop down and select import data. Click on import data. Okay. Click create. Now browse for the file on your system. Name import underscore data.csv. We are already having a file. Okay. Now we have to import. Click on create. Here it is options. Browse the file. Upload this. Okay. Click on validate. Click on import. This in Go to the job section to check that if the data import has been successfully completed. Okay, close it. In the application cluster, here we have the jobs card. Check that import data is in error. So again, we have to give import data, create it, choose file, import the file. Okay, close it. Go for jobs card. Here we can see the process. Importing data being processing. Click on refresh on the until the get the status green color. It's going on process. This is the format of import. Import data has been successful. Go to the overview card. It has been successful. Copying and clearing data. Okay. Log into the EPM cloud. Already logged in. On the home page, click the application cluster and then click overview card. We are on the same page. Click the actions on the drop down and select copy data. Okay. Click on actions. Click on copy data. Here it is. Click on create button. Fill the following details. Okay. Click on create. Entities. Scenario actual. Here it is FY20. We recently I have said in this application I have taken FY21. Click on actual. Okay. For both side it automatically selected. Here the year FY21. It is starting year is FY21, so I am giving FY21 in the place of FY20. The Jan for both sides. Select period. Click on Jan. Click OK. Select entity. Okay, we are selecting now. TN01. E1. Select the destination of form. Data input. Total input. Data input. Here it is. Click OK. Click on run. Confirm. Do you want? Yes. Check the job section to verify the copy job was successfully completed. Okay. Close it. Click on jobs. Here it is. Successfully completed. To verify that data has been copied entity, and click the data code on the application home page. Okay. Click on data card. Go to the navigator and select data card here. Go for data. In that data form. Here it is simple. Here we can see from E1, E1 to E5 we have given that. So we can see the changes. To clear data from the home page, go to overview in the application cluster. Okay. Go to the home page, application overview. Click on actions. Select clear data. Here it is. Click on create button to unfill the following details. Okay. Here it is already existed. What I have created. These are the forms I have given this. Click on run. Okay. And again go to the jobs card whether it is running successfully. Clear data has been run successfully. Following step 9 to verify the data has been cleared or not. Okay, go for data card. Go to data. In the data, select a form. Here it is. We have given this. Name has been changed. E4. We are targeted to E4 now. Here it is the changes. The data has been cleared. This cell has been cleared now. Okay, managing forms. Click on home. Managing forms. Creating fonts which will be used to enter and view data in applications in later exercise. Assigning access for those fonts. Now 1. Creating form. In this practice, you will create forms. Tasks. Log into the EPM cloud. Okay, we are already logged in. On the home page, click the navigator icon cluster and then select forms. Okay, here it is the home page. Click on navigator. Click on forms. Click the plus icon to create a new folder. Here it is. Here the name has data form already created. Here data forms are created now. In your newly created folder, click create simple form. In this folder, click add button, give the name, data entry, data entry. Here the name data entry. Description. This form is used for data entry. Okay. Description. This form is used for data entry. Then click next. Click in the down arrow. Click on next. It comes layout. On the uh, layout tab, arrange the dimensions in the following format by dragging and dropping dimensions. Okay. In the point of view, only view intercompany currency multi-gap product. Here it is the point of view. We are all having this. In the page, years period scenario. In the page, years period and scenario. In the page option, years period and scenario, consolidation and data source. Consolidation and data source. Drag and drop. In the rows, movement and account. In the rows, movement and account. First movement, then after account, we are dragging now. In the columns entity. In the columns entity. Okay. We are dragged and drop is completed. Okay, the layout should be like this. It has been shown similar type. Now add two more rows. Do a right click on row 1 in the row 1 and then select add row. Here it is. He said add two more rows. Okay, we're adding add row, add row. Here it is added two rows. Enter the following details in the point of view dimension by clicking on the icon as shown in the screenshot. For view FCC periodic, here it is the icon. Directly we can select, or We can select by this edit icon, edit symbol. Directly for means for these all dimensions in the page. First we will go to point of view, select this. For view dimension, select periodic. Okay, selected. FCCS periodic already selected. Currency, entity currency. Select and the drop down. Currency, entity currency. Select entity currency. By clicking double click, it has been selected. Intercompany, FCCS underscore no intercompany. Select intercompany. Expand it. Select no intercompany. It has been selected. Multi-gap. For multi-gap and multi-gap and product. Product is for no product. Multi-gap is for local gap. Select multi-gap first. Select local gap. It has been selected. Select product. Select no product. Click on OK. For this dimensions as it has shown here, FCCS periodic, FCCS periodic. It has been okay. It should look like the following screenshot. Yes, it has been look like that. In the page dimension, click the blue drop down arrow and for year dimension and click edit. For this also we can give the same. For year dimension, click on blue arrow, click on edit, give the year FY21, click on OK. Oh, here it is. It says that click the function selected icon and click children. Click on edit, remove all, click on function selected, click on children. Okay, and yes. Then next scenario actual. Click on directly this. You can select directly. Here it is already selected per period. Per period I descendants year total. I descendants year total. I descendants means include descendants. Year total. Next scenario actual. Scenario has been selected. For consolidation, I descendants FCCS contribution total. For consolidation, FCCS contribution total is a function. I descendants contribution total. For data source, I descendants total data source. Select function. OK. Selected. Click on OK. As been shown. It should like the following screenshot. Yes, it is like that only. Now enter the following details for rows and columns. For row 1 movement dimension, search for changes due to issues of stock in the search box. Click enter. For row 1 movement, click on edit. Okay, search the box. Changes due to issue of stock. Here it is. Changes due to issue of stock. Click on select. Here it is the option. Click on entering that. Select the member, then click the right arrow, then click OK. Click on it, it is added. Then click OK. Similar, enter the following details for the members. For row 1, has been common stock. Now, changes due to issue of stock has been, we are checked it. Here it is selected. Now, for account common stock, select account, edit it. In this common stock search, here it is. Throw to right side. Click OK. First row is completed. For row 2, changes in other current assets. Click on edit. Changes in other. Current assets. Selected. Search it. Here it is. Throw that. Click OK. For account 4000, click on edit. Select. Search it. So it has been not there. We can give the another number 5020. Labor button cost. So that click OK. For this also changes in net income. Click on edit. Net income. Click on search. Here it is. Add it. For a moment. Click on account. Edit it. Give the 3315. Because why we are giving this means for the form file. We can select anyone also. It has been sample it's showing. For a column entity, children consolidation entity. For entity, edit. Here it is CE. Select function as children consolidation entity. Children CE. Now click save. Save. Form has been saved. And then select business rule and select console rule consolidate. Click OK. Select here it is business rule. Select console rule consolidate. Console rule consolidate. Go to that, add it. It has been added. Save and finish. Save and finish. It has been successfully saved. Select your newly created form and then select edit. Select this what we have created. Click on edit. Okay. Click Save As. Click Save As. Give the name as Consolidate Data Form. Consolidate Data Form. Okay, it has been created. Now go to the layout and layout tab and delete row 2 and row 3. Go to the layout, delete layer 2 and the row, delete row. Okay, delete row. It has been deleted. Move the moment dimension to the column from rows. Move the moment dimension. Here it is, movement dimension. Drag and drop to the column. Now change the member of the following dimension as it is. Per moment closing balance. Per moment closing balance. Edit it. Remove all. This is closing balance only. Okay, expand it. Throw that. Okay. Per account, ID sentence FCCS total balance sheet in a traditional approach. Okay. Per account, edit it. Remove all. Expand balance sheet. Traditional balance sheet approach. I descendants. Select function. Include descendants. Click OK. Make the following. The selection should be like the following screenshot. Yes, it is. Click like that only. Make the following changes in the point of view dimension members for view FCCS YTD. For FCCS point of view, it is periodic. Select, remove that. Select YTD. Okay, selected. For intercompany top. Here it is no intercompany. No? Select it. Remove all. Add it. FCCS intercompany top. For currency, parent currency. Here it is, we have given entity currency for previous. Now select parent currency, remove all. Select parent and add. Click OK. Here it is parent currency. In the forms, grid properties enable the checkbox for suppress missing blocks and suppress missing data rows. In the grid properties, select these two checkboxes: suppress missing blocks, suppress missing data rows. Suppress missing blocks, suppress missing data rows. Then finally click save and finish. Click save. OK. Finish it. Form has been saved. Assigning access to forms. Log into the EPM cloud. We are already logged in. Select the data entry form and select and then click the assign access icon. Select data entry. Click assign access. OK. Click on assign access. Select groups and then click plus icon. Select groups. Select a plus icon. OK. Select service administrator. Give right access. Select service administrator. Give right access. Save it. Add it. Okay, it has been added. Close the dialog box. Close it. We are given the access. Thank you.
Thank you, Chaitanya.
Thank you, Srikant.